Just a quick news for today, guys. If you try to use Unlinked, it's currently down. That's the scoop for now, so let's just sit back, relax, and wait for any updates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to catch everything coming up. In the meantime, here's a good alternative. This might not be the best, but it will sure get the job done. I've made a video about this before. If you want a full guide, please check the video link in the description and in the pinned comment below. Alright, so the downloader code is 8048768. By the way, this will also work on Android TV and mobile. Scroll down and choose a download link. Then install. Choose allow and select your device. Important reminder, guys, make sure you turn on VPN before side loading. Right now I recommend NordVPN. Discount link is in the video description below, or simply scan this with your phone. After you sign up, download NordVPN app if you have not yet. So go back home, go to find, then search, and type in NordVPN. Download this app and enter your login information and activate the app. Then you can go back to the app. Go to Add Library. Type in 2222. That's 4 twos. And you are now in. You may fully load your device now, just like how you do it on Unlinked. If you have any feedback and requests, simply go to report. And you may also donate to support the development of this app. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, it really helps the channel. And if you're into streaming tips, smart tech, or just want to stay ahead of the next update, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. That's all that we have for today. I do want to thank you for watching. Have a great day.